Imagine being on a battlefield where the sky suddenly becomes a new domain for artillery, not just shells raining down, but gliders soaring through the air with precision, targeting aerial threats like helicopters and drones. This isn't just an idea, it's the reality behind China's latest breakthrough, the Tianqing-1 prototype, developed by China's National University of Defense Technology. Tianqing-1 represents an innovative leap that transforms traditional ground-launched artillery into guided aerial hunters. In today's warfare landscape, drones and helicopters play an increasingly dominant role. They can hover for hours, gather intelligence, and strike with deadly accuracy. Traditional air defense systems like radar-guided missiles or autocannons are effective, but they come at a steep cost, require complex logistics, and are often in short supply. Tianqing 1 flips the script by using rocket artillery, a cheap proven battlefield staple, and converting it into a smart air hunting weapon. Tianqing 1 might resemble a modified artillery shell, but it's far more than that. After being launched like a regular rocket, the munition deploys lift-generating wings and active tail fins. It then transitions into a glider, silently soaring and maneuvering toward aerial targets. Unlike conventional missiles that emit heat signatures during flight, Tianqing 1 enters a passive glide phase, reducing its visibility to infrared sensors and making it harder to detect and intercept. A major breakthrough lies in its new guidance algorithm. Developers report that the Tianqing 1 reduces targeting error from approximately 50 meters to less than 1 meter. This remarkable precision is achieved through a combination of digital guidance correction, likely involving inertial navigation systems, terminal phase sensors, and possibly even visual target recognition. While full specifications remain classified, this technology enables the munition to strike aerial targets with a level of accuracy comparable to multi-million-dollar missile systems, but at a fraction of the cost. Historically, China's exploration of rocket-based warfare dates back to the Song dynasty in the 13th century, when early fire arrows were used against Mongol invaders. Over centuries, these evolved into the barrage-style rocket artillery seen in World War II, like the Soviet Katyusha and German Nebelwerfer. While devastating against ground targets, these systems lacked precision and were ineffective against air threats. Separately, anti-aircraft warfare evolved with flak cannons and guided missiles, increasing in both sophistication and expense. The Tianqing 1 merges these two technological lineages, bringing together the affordability of artillery with the precision of modern smart weapons. Tianqing 1 is optimized for engaging low-speed aerial threats such as surveillance drones, loitering munitions, transport helicopters, and airborne command platforms. With a top speed of around 200 meters per second, it is not designed to intercept supersonic jets, but is well suited for targeting slower, hovering threats. Its cost effectiveness allows it to be deployed in large numbers, providing extensive coverage over contested areas and effectively serving as a low-cost aerial denial system. Dozens of Tianqing 1 units could be launched in coordinated waves, passively gliding into defensive positions and covering wide swaths of territory. This approach could overwhelm enemy drones or airborne surveillance efforts, especially in frontline or gray zone engagements where traditional air defense systems are too expensive or unavailable. Though still in the prototype phase, the technology behind Tianqing 1 is advancing rapidly. Its developers have already hinted at the development of Tianqing 2, which may include enhanced guidance systems, improved aerodynamics, and extended range. Future iterations may also offer modular warheads or AI-enabled swarm coordination, allowing groups of gliders to autonomously adjust flight paths and maximize their interception efficiency. If Tianqing 1 performs as intended in real-world conditions, it could reshape the future of anti-aircraft defense, particularly for countries looking to field effective systems on limited budgets. It offers a scalable, affordable, and flexible solution for modern threats, particularly the surge in drone warfare. If you found this breakthrough as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into next generation defense technologies, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update from the front lines of innovation.